So I was heading out in the car and heard a whole heap of coppers and ambulances, and basically that Ferrari behind me had smashed into the wall. There's two passengers in the car. One was a male, one was a female, I think. Apparently the male got out uninjured, from what I heard. I don't know if that's true, but he got out first. And then the female was pulled out by police, ambulance, and the rescue. So
What was your reaction when you saw the car?
Oh, shocked. This is a small local community, and these things don't really happen here. And it's actually school holidays at the moment, so it was just very lucky that nobody actually got hurt at the time. So
expensive car,
very
isn't it?
expensive. Very expensive, and he must have been going pretty fast because, as you can see with the skid marks, he probably didn't realise that there was a roundabout there. That's just guessing. So he must have turned pretty late and pushed through the barriers and smashed into the wall. So.
Apparently the skid marks are quite sensitive. Good job, Abla.
Chocks and hose and
This is the worst thing getting a bike.
yeah, I don't think it doesn't look